Before you begin, verify that all components and hardware have been included. Begin the construction by stacking each module on top of the Rolls LFP stack base. As seen in the video, you can do up to 4, 6, or 8 modules. Next, fasten each module using the included M5 by 12 mm bolts. Screw them into the holes on the side of the unit at the handle. Before continuing, ensure all breakers are in the off position. Once the breakers are off, remove the ground cable screws in preparation of the installation of the ground cables. Don't forget the ground cable screws that are in the Rolls LFP stack base. Now, beginning at the top of the stack, secure the ground cables from one unit to the next. This will all be done using the pre-installed screws. Connect the bottom module ground to the base. Connect the base ground connection to the system. Disclaimer: when using a power tool to secure the screws, be sure to set the torque to low. This will prevent any damage to the stack. Ground cables should then be torqued to 4 to 5 Newton meters using a torque wrench. Now set the dip switches on each module in order to identify the module number. You can refer to the manual for dip switch positions. Connect the supplied communication cables to the link out and link in ports located between each unit. To begin installing the positive and negative terminal connections, remove the plastic terminal covers of the pre-installed terminal bolts. Then, remove the terminal bolts located underneath the cover. Beginning with the positive terminal connections, start at the top of the stack, securing the bus bars, as shown. Connect the positive bus bars between Module 3 and Module 2 in front of the previously placed bus bars, fixing the bolts on Module 3. Connect the positive bus bars between Module 2 and Module 1 behind the previously placed bus bars, fixing the bolts on Module 2. Affix one busbar combiner to the positive terminal of Unit 1. It must be in front of the previous busbar. Begin with the busbar combiner installed in front of the two negative busbars on the top module. Connect the negative busbars for Module 3 and Module 2 in front of the previously placed busbars, fixing the bolts on Module 3. Once that is done, connect the busbars for Module 2 and Module 1 behind the previously placed busbars, fixing the bolts onto Module 2. Finally, secure the bolts on Module 2 after all the busbars are secure and in the correct order. Now, torque the terminal bolts on all the modules on each of the busbars after they are installed. Connect the input cable to the positive busbar combiner at the bottom. Connect the output cable to the negative busbar combiner at the top of the stack. Now torque the input and output cables on the positive and negative busbar combiners. Now place the terminal covers that you previously removed back onto each unit. Attach the communication cable into the CAN port on the rear control panel of Module 1. Turn all units on using the button on the rear control panel of each module. Place the back protective panels on each module. Connect the unit to power and make sure the breakers are flipped upwards in the on position. This is the final look of the Rolls S48-100 LFP stackable battery.